Stone Company Limited announces new executive management appointments to support the evolution of the company and its future execution. Kaio Fiuza, who was the head of micro-merchant business TON, was appointed COO of the Financial Platform Division. Gilsone Hansen, who was the head of Link's Core Division, was appointed COO of Software Division, which encompasses Link's business and Stone's portfolio of software solutions. Gilsone Hansen, who was the head of Link's Core Operations, has over 25 years of experience in software companies, including previous senior roles at Tech Solutions, Datasol and Todivis. Diego Salgado, former executive director in the LATAM Debt Capital Markets team at JP Morgan, has joined the team in 2021 as head of treasury. Kaio Fiuza, who joined Stone in 2017, has experience in operations and an entrepreneurial background and played an important role in building Stone's nationwide logistics operations and then building the micro-merchant business, TON.